For the second year in a row, I'm excited to be a participating baker in the Toronto Star cookie calendar, and this year I got to work with a really special recipe. I made Medianyky, which is a traditional Ukrainian honey cookie, pulled straight from Toronto Star's recipe archive all the way from 1998. When investigating these cookies, I learned many other European countries have their own version of a honey cookie. These cookies are vegan, beautifully spiced, and traditionally cut into decorative shapes, sometimes iced, and even hung on Christmas trees. Once I got started, my kitchen immediately smelled like the holidays. Clove, ginger, cinnamon, and nutmeg all go into the dough, creating that classic Christmas aroma. The dough itself comes together quickly but is very soft. The recipe doesn't call for chilling, but I popped the dough into the freezer for about 30 minutes, which made rolling much easier. I also kept the unused portion chilled as I worked through each batch. I needed candied orange peel, which felt like a small mission. Bulk Barn and a few other stores didn't have it, just mixed citrus. So that's what I went with. Pro baker tip, if you have a recipe that calls for a super specialty ingredient and you can find a comparable swap, just do it. Your pantry does not need 75% of a random ingredient in there forever. I also added a small pinch of salt to the dough for flavor balance. I do that with most baking. Half the cookies were finished as written with almonds and coarse sugar. The other half I decorated with icing. It was my first attempt at icing cookies, so be kind. I did this after researching how similar honey cookies are commonly made across Europe. Visually, they turned out beautifully. It's an easy and approachable recipe, but the texture wasn't personally my favorite. That said, this is a great cookie to make with kids. Cutting shapes and decorating really makes it all about the experience. Being part of the Toronto Star cookie calendar for a second year has become a holiday tradition I truly love.